Yo. Cells on GCs? Honestly, cells do look good, but I'd rather wait for the buys than cells. Personally, I would want to wait for a setup for buys. How's everybody doing? Is the mic good? Is the mic good today or no? Better than yesterday, maybe? I tried my best. I mean, I don't know what I can do. Mic is good? Okay. Alright. That's the best I could do. That is, like, honestly, that's the best I can do. Other than that, I can't offer anything else. It's great. Okay. Sounds good. Awesome. Maybe too good to sound like you're in. Maybe too good. Way better. Okay. That's good. That's good. Well, that's good to hear. I'm glad. That sounds good. Do you guys hear the background noise at all? Like, I have a fan going. Cause I don't have a fucking, I don't have an AC unit in a damn room. I have it in the living room only. Stupid. Okay, good. YouTube. When is Terrible doing the giveaway? I'm not sure, honestly. Slight music. Should I turn it up or no? Is it good? Okay. Okay. No, guys, I'm more interested in longs than shorts. I'm way interested in longs than shorts. Like, we could have entered right here. See if we can come back to this level and then I'll enter in. Okay, I'm gonna try this right here. I'm gonna try this for longs. Well, okay. Oh god. Oh, okay. Give me a second. Oh my god, hold up. Really risky right here. This is a really risky position. Really risky position. Could see a we could see more pullback on it, but that's fine. If we do, we're risking only 500 on this. Really interested in the hourly playing the daily. I mean, playing out more to the top side rather than going down, but I always, oh man, I always end up playing in this mistake of hopping on right now and then the 4 hour closes and the hourly. I always do this mistake. Man, I need to pay attention more. Well, what can we do? We can't do anything. Stop loss is good. I mean, if we break this 30 minute, expecting it to drop more down, then go longs. Manage your own position, definitely. Keep managing your own position. Uh, bro, hold up. Let me try to find it. Let me try. Let me go try to find it. Actually, hold up. Everybody's asking about him. Oh my god, I'm cooked, yo. I can't hear you. Okay, okay, okay. Now you can guys hear me. Okay, so I was explaining how I hurt my ankle. I was explaining how I hurt my ankle. I was doing bench. I wanted to do dumbbell bench press. Okay, I was holding the 70 pounds and walking to the bench press, and then in the gym like there's cracks in the middle of the like the flooring. How there is like cracks, square cracks. I was walking and then uh, I hit it like on the angle of my foot. I stepped on the wrong like place on my ankle, and then I was holding the 70 pounds walking, and it just like it just bent like that, and I was cooked. Bro, that shit was hurting so bad. That shit hurt so bad. Toe injury, not ankle. I sprained my ankle, I think. Honestly, I just wanna. I saw some. We saw some retracement back. It is very risky. Just that 30 minute. Uh, just because of that 30 minute, I could have waited a bit. But basically, entry was kind of based off that 3 minute inside that broke into the top side. I wanted to see a continuation. We did drop a little bit here, but honestly, there is high probability of this going shorts, playing out more for shorts a little bit to just continue going back up. Because I do like this daily. This daily is really nice. I'm expecting by the end of the day we can see some retracement like to these highs somewhere right there. But we obviously need some retracement back down so we can push back up. But my mistake is that I entered the position at the close of the hourly and the 4 hour. So I might be in a bottom wick right now. So this might be creating the bottom wick. So probably gonna wick me out. Which music? This by Drake? Since I left the city, you. Yeah, I'm expecting this to honestly, if it breaks, my stop loss is at a good level. I'm happy with my stop loss. If this breaks to the downside, then I want to be out. If this breaks the 30-minute to the downside, then I want to be out. Is this your full-time career? Yes, it is. So why not break even? Because it's gonna stop me out right here. See? Wait. Wait, what? Oh, okay. I was about to say, what? How did it stop me out? Okay. I don't remember what song it was, dude. Ever since I left the city, you. That was really bad entry right there. That was like a really bad entry. I just saw the setup. I didn't look at the time, because if I did, I would have seen that the hourly and the 4 hours is about to close. But it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, I'm just waiting for that pullback. Blew my XFA today. Back to square one. It's fine, man. Keep at it. Keep at it. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. Keep going. Guys, we're almost at 10K followers. Please drop a follow. It helps out a ton, guys. We're almost at 10K. I like how we're reacting off this right here. So, I like how we're reacting off this. Maybe possible entry, a re-entry on this, but yo, what's up? What's your strategy? I trade the strat and I mix it up with supply and demand. Sometimes mix it up with supply and demand, but mostly I use the strat. Press the button. What button? Now what's the best funded site? I say Topstep, like a prop firm site. You mean, or like the charting? Is this the only funded account you're trading? Today, yes. Yes, yes. I have multiple ones, but I trade. But I stopped over trading them. I just relax. It's easy. I was up 400 early exited the trade. Only booked me 250. Is that normal on Top Step? Does that happen? It probably worked you out like it just did to me, right? It just wicked you out like it just did to me. Like it wicked you out, and then it happens, man. Those prop firms and live accounts, you often get bad fills and bad entries. Yeah, you're like, and it's sometimes it happens. It's okay, Nick. It's okay. It's okay, Nikki. Uh, get another one and keep going. Keep at it. Keep at it. Don't give up. Don't give up. What's the best funded account? I say Top Step. Honest, Top Step has the best. Like so far right now, their payouts very consistent with their payouts. They take 1 to 3 days. Uh, Project X is really nice to chart on. Well, I have tried Apex. I have tried Tradeify. I have and Top Step. I think that's the three I have tried. I blew up my 22 account, bro. I'm tired. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give in. Don't give up. What is this? What is the longest funded account you ever kept? I started trading futures since January, only able to make 3 payouts. Oof. I am negative 12K in expresses. Whew. You're going through these accounts so quick, man. You're going through these accounts so quick. Like a lot. You need to take it slow. Uh, for a new dashboard, I think the Dash 25 is still working for a new dashboard. The longest funded account that I have had is a little bit over a month. A little bit over a month. Well, yeah, I think that's kind of the longest one I had, a little bit over a month with Top Step. Not long time. Yeah, not a really long time, but on that account, like I used to, my style of trading is kind of aggressively. I trade aggressively rather than like take it slow, relax, and take a chill pill. Like usually take my positions very aggressively, and that just makes it easier for me to move on. You know. Did you hear the terrible called out TJR? Terrible called TJR? I didn't hear that. Waiting. There's what size? Honestly, it just depends on the setup. I say it just depends on the setup. If the setup is nice, then take full size, which sometimes is 2 to 4. Sometimes it's 5. Sometimes, just depending if there's a better average down, if there's just depend on the volume. It just all depends. But I'm usually going with 2 or 3, depending on the trade. During New York, like obviously there's a difference. During New York, it's more like 15 micros or 2 minis, stuff like that. Top Step TV said to long gold, go chat. Did you catch any moves New York yesterday? Yeah, we caught. Yeah, we caught the New York. Yeah, we did. I posted both of the recaps on TikTok. On the TikTok, I posted videos of it. I posted the one today where you got TJR sending a story saying, "How are we supposed to trade this?" Kind of mentioned him and told him how, basically. Uh, I mentioned him and I told him how to trade it. Hopefully, like, you know. But yeah, that video is literally, I uploaded it today. You can see on my profile. We banked today. Yes, sir, we did. Yes, sir, we did. Ananai, bro, I lose accounts trading Asia session. Don't trade it then. Don't trade it. Easy. Just don't trade it. I still work a full time job. How long do I have to pass? How long? Wait, I still work a full time job. How long do I have to pass the Able on Top Step? Just depends on the account. So if you get the 50K account, you have to make 53. You pass it, you activate it, and then you keep building it up. No, I am interested in longs actually on gold. I want to see some retracement to go longs. We are tapping into this demand zone right here. We're tapping into this demand, so we also have a demand zone right here. Maybe we could see some rejection. Honestly, this is not bad. This 5 minute is not bad. I left my 8 to 5 job and got a part time just to have more time to look at the charts. W's. Man, the time I fucking hesitate, dude. Yeah, I do this full time. The time I fucking hesitate on taking a trade. Literally, like what? I'm gonna wait though. I'm gonna wait for this 15 to close because that's wild. Yeah, I was. This shit just moved fucking quick. This shit moved too quick. Anyways. Somebody else. Sorry for a lot of question. New to your stream. How long did it take you to become profitable? And I know that moment. So I've been doing this for 2 years now, consistently for a year, and I have been profitable for almost More than 8 months now. So more than 8 months. Yeah, I did want to enter in this. I did want to. I did want to go into this longs. Damn. What's up with the roses? God damn. Chill. He's going crazy with the roses. He has a Bugatti in order. I have a question about Top Step. Will reset to zero after the first payout, right? No, just depending where how much you're eligible for. So it depends on how much your balance is. So for example, if you just made 3K, let's say, you made 3K on the account, your balance is 3K, and you're eligible to take a payout, you will be only, and that's your first payout, you'll be only able to take 1500 out, and then you will have 1500 left in balance. That's the whole idea. What do you drive? I have a BMW M4. Through privacy settings. Exactly. Yep. That's exactly how it works. Z, I hella miss you. Miss you too, man. I got the Express yesterday and made 10K on the first day of it, and my ML is at zero right now. You made 10K W's. First trade, you made 10K W's. But yeah, well, if that's your first trade on it and you got it yesterday, then you need about 4 more days of making 200. So you got for 4 more days, you gotta make 200 a day, at least. They don't have to be in a row, but you just gotta make 200 a day, and then you'll be able to request a payout. Probably request 5K if you can keep that 10K on there. I'm almost passing my 50K top step account, bro. I am at 2K. W's almost there, bro. You know he's capping. Ah, just give him the benefit of the doubt. Just give him the benefit of the doubt. He's capping. He's not capping. Whatever he wants to say, let him say. Giving him the benefit of the doubt. What is your YouTube? It's in the link in the bio. You got the YouTube in there and also the Discord. Guys, drop a follow. Drop a follow. Like. Holy shit. This guy sent 526 roses. Drop a like, guys. It helps out a ton. It makes people view it more, cause I've been getting restrictions uh, on my TikTok lives, so they don't show on the For You page. But the more you guys like the live, the more it shows. Like the more it shows for people, and we can get more people in here. And I'm almost at 10K followers, so. Is my first day. Is there a certain times you trade? I no, not a certain time, but there is a certain time we trade on the Discord. Yes, during New York session. So on the link in the bio, you click on more. Next to it, it says more. You click on it, and there should be two links, one for the YouTube and one for the Discord. What's your win rate? I average about 50% to 60% on one and twos. Brother, I'm a new. Could you It's basically it's as simple as getting an account, passing the test. It's like passing the test, and then they will give you like the real deal, and that is the Express account, and then you gotta make money on it, which the rules are you gotta make you gotta make 200 5 days. They don't have to be in a row, but 500 200 winning day for 5 days. They don't have to be in a row, and then you can request a payout. I'm waiting for that 15 to close. Are you on a trade? I am going to be here soon. 15 minute. If this 15-minute closes like that, I'm willing to take it on the break of that 15 minute. Looks good for me to take on that break. So I'll take this out, and then I want to take this out. Love when you get me out. Oh, love when you get me out. If I make 1,000, I'll request. Well, if you can request 1,000, if you're eligible to request a payout, then you can request 500 of it, and you'll have 500 left. But that's, I mean, it's up to you if you want to do that or no. Okay. Try these longs right here. Giving longs another try. 1 to 3. So see, that's 1 to 4. 1 to 3 is right here. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. It's hard to take that call. I'm trying out this longs right here again. I want to try out these longs again. So I'll risk 750. Here you go. 750. I'll risk 750 on this trade. Do you want to see it? I don't. I want to see it continue going up, honestly. 30-minute closed, not bad. I do want to see a break of that 30-minute to the top side for us to continue going up. It's going down, bro. I mean, it's fine. If it goes down, we're fine. I'm in this trade, and I know how much I'm risking. I know how much I'm willing to risk on my trades. I am not worried. Do you like copy trade multiple account at once? No, because this is like what I do for a living. So I rather not copy trade my account, because if I do, then I'm gonna take a loss. If I do take a hit, I'm taking a hit on all the accounts at once, and I rather not do that. I am working on accounts to copy trade though on the Discord during New York session. What's going on? What platform are you trading on? Project X. I actually do this full time. Yes, I do. I do this full time. They haven't. No. No. That's. You just right click on your mouse. You right click, and then you put a limit sell or a limit buy. We are on gold right now. Got a lot of people in today, huh? A lot of people watching today. No, no. This is, I mean, Top Step Project X is supported by TradingView, so it's the same thing. We broke a 2 to the top side. We made the bottom wick on the 15-minute. I want to see it go back up now and trade to the upside. I want to see us break those highs again, the daily high, and then possibly trade more up to almost that, yeah, almost that 4-hour high right here. But we could also see a retracement down, possibly, maybe we can see a retracement down, because this 4-hour wick is, this 4-hour candle is huge. So bullish trend, 4 hours. Also bullish on the hourly. Very bullish on the hourly. We are inside on the hourly still. 30-minute. It is a failed 2 down. Closed to the top. I want to see a break off that level. And yeah, rest is history. But we'll just wait and see what we can do on here. See if we can catch something good. See if we can catch these longs right here. I don't trade ICT, so I don't believe in IFVGs, FVGs, or SMTs, or all of that. Woo! I use the strat. I use the strat by Rob Smith and supply demand. Supply and demand. Could be, yeah. I mean, it could be. It could want to go down more, but we'll just have to wait and see. We just gotta wait and see. So far, we are down 600 on this position. We're already down 400. So, yeah. So we will be, if we lose on this trade, we'll be down 1200, I think? Or 11? 12 or 11. So far, this is not looking good for us. It's not looking good. This 5 minute might stop us out right here. We might get stopped out, I think. And yeah, we're out. Alright. W day, I guess. W day. It's gonna go longs. I'm still interested in longs on this. I'm not interested in shorts at all. Still interested in longs. Still interested in longs. One-hour supply, long NQ. What's up, brother? Not much. Not much. Yes, it's definitely longer at the moment. It's a 50K account. Long gold. This is gold. I am looking at gold right now. We tried longs 2 times. Your piano looking healthy. Not so healthy. Not so healthy. Not so healthy today. Did you catch the long buy yesterday? Yes, we ended the day yesterday. We ended up green on the day yesterday, and today also during New York, we were green also today. What's your ideal buffer? Like 10K. But you can't trade just cause you gotta have a reason. Uh, wave. Express. You must buy. What broke? Use top step. I call longs on gold to divide. Thank you. Love GC longs for sure. Did you get cooked this week, bro? Did you get no? Not this week. Not this week. I'm still positive for this week. No, I don't use ICT. Nope. Uh, No, I am not in sales. I do want to see gold going up. Yes. No. Your balance doesn't have to be that high. Guys, drop a follow. Make sure to drop a follow, guys. It helps out a ton. We're almost at 10K followers. Alright, can you get in long? But I'll wait. Almost at 10K. How much do we need? How much are we at? I'll teach you how to trade without risking losing money. You can join my channel, link in the bio. Let me help you how to trade. Let me block you. There you go. I helped you how to trade. Lost everything. He was trying to help. I helped him. I helped him more. I had to help him too. I had to help him. We could see a retracement back down to these levels right here. No, there's nothing to long in right now. Now I feel better with my $69 loss. W's. No points. Take longs. Not yet. There's nothing to take right now. Good luck, man. Good luck. Nothing so far. Nothing. Guys, we're almost at 10K followers. We need about 50 more. Let's hit 10K before we hop off live today. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. Charts are looking pretty clean. Yeah, but the high time frame are not giving shorts. Like the hourly 4 hour. They're not giving. You're the best, my friend, all the time. Have you taken any payouts? Yeah, bro. I have taken multiple payouts. Small trend. Down 1200 right now. Where the hell he get? I don't know. I don't know. Order confluences, bro. Well, so daily, we broke a two up on a daily, so target is seeing it retrace all the way up there. 4 hour, very bullish. We break a two up from here, and then we broke a two up. We closed very bullish. Also hourly, same situation. It's very bullish. It's a very bullish trend so far. This hourly right here is inside right now, so we are in a consolidation phase so far. So we can wait for that hourly to see how it closes and see what we can do. But so far, there's nothing. Because my account got charged twice for the Activation Express, and I haven't gotten it. Message them. Message Topstep. Message Topstep. Thank you guys for the follows. We're almost at 10K. We need 50 more followers. 50 more followers. Must be a sign. Isn't there an hourly supply? It's right here, yeah. It's right here. Might take one more trade. No, it's kind of breaking my rules, but I might take one more trade. Uh, I know, yeah, I'm just waiting. I might take one more trade. I will be risking 500 on that trade though. And if I end up losing it, I'm closing out for the day. That target is to basically get a little more, like 1500. Let's say target 1500 or 2000, so we can at least make a little bit. You trade every no, not every session. I'll say every session. We trade New York on the Discord. We banked today during New York session, and I trade London, not London, Asia, on live, on TikTok live and YouTube. What do you do before trading? I was a restaurant manager. I was a manager at a restaurant. So, fun times. Uh, yes, I don't say building bad habits. Not really. I have already passed that. It's just I'm interested really in seeing these longs, and we have made a good amount of money on this account so far during this week and last week. So I'm not that worried about it. You know, we could get that money back as easy as it goes away. Daisy, did you get to go on a vacation whenever you want and can afford it? Like before trading or when I was working at my job? Which when? Like right now, when trading? Yeah, I'd say I'd say my life. I don't say I'm living a comfortable life and like a free life. No, I'll say I'm living a happy life. You know, I'm happy. No, I'm living a happy life. I'm not to a point where I'm free. I would say, and I'm in a comfort, and like you know what I'm saying. No, but I'm happy. I'm happy where I'm at, and that's what matters. Honestly, I do want to wait for this 15. I really do want to wait for this 15 though. Possibly a good entry on the 5 though. Also, this is very aggressive. Hold up. I want to sell one. I want to sell one here just to bring my stop loss down. Okay. It's the last position I'm trying. That is it. That is the last thing I'm trying. If we lose on this trade, and then we'll be down 1800 on the day. Last trade of the day. That's it. Do you copy trade? No, I do not. Because I could have days like this. I could have days like this, and I rather have it on one account rather than all my accounts. And yeah, you can do this on the phone. It's a risky setup. It's not a bad setup. It's a risky setup. I'm willing to give it a try though. Lower trader find a lot of boss. Dude, I've taken 2 trades. This is the third one. That's it. What do you mean? I have been on live for an hour now only. Bullish one price goes above 330. AZ 5RR. I blame Rose. The boy really wants New York liquidity. Could get it. But if we don't, we just move on, you know? It's another day in paradise. Just another day in paradise. Should have stopped trading tonight. That's okay. You guys are so worried about me. Like, you guys are so worried about me. Like, why are you guys so worried about me? Why are you guys so worried about me? Like, you guys are worried about me more than I'm worrying about myself. Failed. I took off that 5 minute. We had a failed 2 down. We failed to continue going down. Show us some weakness. We are at a demand zone on the hourly. We rejected off from. We got some rejection off of it, but it doesn't look like it wants to go up. It looks like it wants to continue going down, and that is okay. It stops us out here. We close up for the day. We move on. We come back tomorrow ready. We come back tomorrow ready, and yeah. Top step X, yes. Why not exit with a smaller loss? 500 is a small loss. Talking about ICT or downsize. Downsize, then upsize once. Do you have a up this trade of you and make bank? Yeah, join him, man. It's linked in the bio. Yes, go ahead. Do that. Show that demand zone right here. Just an ad.
It's not real.
Alright. Here's the hourly close, guys. If I'm gonna put my stop loss up higher here. If it closes, if we break that hourly to the downside, then we should see a continuation going down. But if it does, I want to be out of that trade. Not looking good so far. Don't celebrate yet. This could be just us making the top wick on the hourly. Do not celebrate too soon. Do not celebrate too soon. Don't celebrate too soon. Don't celebrate too soon. What's up, bro? Why did you place your stops there? Stops here because of that hourly. We are inside. If we break direction, either to the downside or to the top side, we will see a continuation of that direction. Haters gonna hate. If you have haters, you know you're doing something right. You know what they say. Call it a night, gang. I will after this trade. Mark out the demand zone, please. I got you. Basically, this area that we're rejecting, we have some rejection off of. But why are people talking when half of them haven't gotten a payout yet? That's okay. Let them talk, bro. You got a fish tank? Who, me? Nah. Express means it's a past account, basically. It means whatever you make on there, you could take a payout as long as it meets the rules. The trading community is all a lot of hate. There's a lot of hate in the trading community. How long have you been trading? Almost 2 years. No problem, man. Used to be a worse month. It used to be a worse month ago. Guys, drop a follow. We're almost at 10K, guys. Almost at 10K. Good luck to you, man, too. Do you ever use a 30-second and a 1 minute or the 3-minute time to enter? No. No, 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 no. I am trading gold right now. I am gold right now. I trade those during New York session mostly. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. We're almost at 10K, guys. 40 more followers. We need 40 more. 40 more followers. I don't want to disclose that. Actually, I don't want to disclose how much buffer I have because I could get in trouble with Top Step. Yeah, this is futures. What's up, bro? Why did you place your stops there? Well, if it breaks that level, then I want to be out of that trade. Isn't the DML on a 50k account only 2k? Well, it'll be your balance, basically. On the Express account, it'll be your balance. Whatever balance you have on there. What time frame do you enter on your trades? 5 minute or the 15? Gambler final boss. Thank you. Where's your stops? At the low of the hourly. At the hourly low. Bitcoin signal. What do you mean? I don't trade Bitcoin. Using daddy's money is crazy. I wanna see you trying to New York Open. I know you're nice. We traded on New York session. Is there any reason why don't you enter on the lower time frames? I use that with higher volume. Yeah, drop a follow, guys. Drop a follow. We're almost at 10k. 33. Well, 44. Wait, no. I don't know, some shit like that. Yeah, that's crazy.
That's AI, right?
Yeah. Alright. I think that's it for the night, boys. That is it for the night. Kind of forced. Kind of forcing that longs, huh? Today? Kind of forcing that long today, huh? That's kind of my fault, yep. Not blow the account, bro. It's not even close to blowing the account. This is not even fucking close to blowing the account. This account needs... I normally take 2 trades. Normally take 2 trades only a day. That's it. What trade you see or not you feel? Well... Exactly. I was just about to say that. Trade what you see, not what you feel. Exactly. And then I fucked that. I was so focused on the daily that I forgot everything else. So I gotta admit that, you know, gotta be aware and just, you know, journal. Gotta journal my trades, and yeah. And then from there we move on. You know what I'm saying? Shit happens, stuff happens. You just gotta move on from it. Remember, it's not a loss; it's a lesson. The L stands for a lesson, not a loss. So, How did you learn how to trade? Well, I started with ICT first, and then that was too fancy for me. ICT is too fancy for me, so I met Terrible Trades, and he was the one that taught me. How much should my first funded be? I say 50K. Honestly, you don't need more than that. What's the first stats on this account? Very high. Very high. Like guys, this is just like putting a small dent. We're I'm putting a small dent in my account. I have how much the first payout on the 30K? As long, I mean, it doesn't really matter as long as you have 5 winning days of $200. It was always short. No, man. It's gonna go longs. It's bowed. It's gonna go longs. It's just you gotta find the perfect long entry. It will go longs. It has to like. It will at some point. It will go longs because just how the hourly is looking, we will retrace back to the hourly highs. I mean the daily highs. But it's just getting that solid entry. Maybe in London, yeah, maybe in London, maybe here in a bit soon, maybe yeah, we just got you just gotta wait and get have like a perfect entry on it. So hourly hourly broke a two down? No, not yet. Wait. Oh shit, it did do that. Oh shit. Okay, well it didn't stop us out for some reason. Weird. And there it is. 33 guys, 33 more followers. We need 33 more followers. Less you being responsible with stops and knowing your permits stay up. Of course, man. Thank you. Damn, bank account. How much can you only use to contract on IQ, and you're able to use more? How it just depends on the balance that you have on the account. Your entry is late for loans. Don't chase. I'm not chasing. How much do you have left telling us the amount? How much do I have left without telling you? That's gonna tell the amount. It's just, I'm saying, this is like, bro, I'm saying I have multiple accounts, guys. This is a small dent in this account. Like, I have made. You can go through the TikTok. Go through the TikTok, guys. Go through the TikTok. Go to my TikTok page. You will see the trades that I take in dubs on. My dubs are, like, the trade that we win in, they are high. They're very, like, high. So, good luck, man. Usually, I need a strategy. Thank you, bro. Please. Same thing. I use one strategy and I use it for NQES, gold, everything. How long you been trading for? 2 years now. Just cause this is your first time seeing you, thank you or a badge. Just cause this is your first time seeing you. Okay, think whatever you want to think, man. There you go. All right. We're a better manager than trade, at least. Order blocks will make it profitable. Thank you. Alright, we got stopped out of that, and we are down 1,700 for the day. Cooks today one of the bad days. Ah. Supply and demand. Gurus, stop, bro. What are you doing? How much you spent on accounts? Oof. A lot, and I've blown multiple accounts. Uh, it will, bro. You just gotta. Da, 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 da. Guys, 20 more followers. Come on. 20 more followers. Bro, my feed keeps showing me your lives daily. Yo, subscribe, bro. Help a brother out. Subscribe. Help a brother out. Is it difficult to start having no experience? Yes. Well, everything is difficult when you start. Everything you start is difficult at the beginning, but when you get used to it, it gets easier. Remember, you get tougher. Life doesn't get easier, you get tougher. What's missing? You think it's going up? The daily is really nice. 4 hour is bullish. Hourly now it's showing bearish, but so far the two high time frames are showing bullish. So, but like I said, I should trade what I see, not what I think is gonna happen. So that is my bad, and that is what happened today on stream. So you guys see what happened on the stream. Don't do that. This, I'm being transparent. This is how I'm feeling right now, and this is me, like, thinking about the trades that I had taken. That's why it's important to journal. And me thinking about the trades that I have taken, is just, it's telling me that I was chasing what I thought was gonna happen, rather what, like, I see on the charts. So, like somebody said, I don't care about being right as long as I make money. And keep that idea in your head. I forgot that today. So, I forgot that today. I'm cooked. For today, I am cooked. I respectfully could say that by myself. I'm going to as well, bro. Just needs good takeaway. I'll catch you again. See ya, man. Thank you for dropping in. We made money today, so we took a good trade today in the morning during New York. We took a good trade during New York. I joined late. What happened? Just taking L's. Just took three bad trades. Zizi, were you able to use more than two contracts trading GC, or do you need to watch to switch to minis? Were you able to use? Well, it depends on the balance of your account. Guys, follow him. I'm 14 away. Holy shit, guys, we're 11 away. Guys, 11 away. Come on. We're almost there. 9 more followers. We're at 10K. 9 more. 8 more now. 8 more. Come on, boys. Let's go. There you go. Love the fucking support, guys. I love the fucking support. 3 more. Drop a follow, boys. 2 more now. And 10K. Let's go. Nah, stop fucking unfollowing, bitches. Who's unfollowing? Why you guys do that shit, bro? Why you guys do that shit? Mass unfollow time. No. You motherfuckers. We're back at... Nah, man, fuck you all. I unfollowed. Whoever unfollows is getting banned. Is getting a lifetime ban. Whoever unfollows is getting a lifetime ban. I don't care who you are. Nah, you all are fucking cooked. Nah, you all are down bad. Giveaway time. I said I was gonna do a giveaway when I hit 10K. I said I was gonna do a giveaway. But you must be in the Discord though. You must be on the premium on the Discord. So if you're in a Discord, you are automatically in for the giveaway. What strat do you trade? What do you what do we offer? We go so we have live sessions during New York session. We trade on there. We do options and futures. We have 6 alerters and we do also educational. We do educational every other week. So bi-weekly we do educational lessons and those are also recorded. Man, look at this rejection. Look at that rejection. Oh, not taking it. I ain't taking it. I ain't taking it, bro. I ain't taking it. Take it. Nah, I'm not fucking taking it, bro. I'm not taking it. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Nope, not happening. Not happening. It is good. It is a good level though. It's a good level. It is a good level to take. Uh, take it and get you 10k again. Look at that, bro. Big bend. Whoa. Stress up. Big bend. Whoa. Big bend. Whoa. Close up. Big bend. Crazy, bro. Crazy longs right here. Crazy longs right here. Man. Really beautiful longs here, by the way. .30 minute is closing bullish. It's coding a failed 2 down here in about 7 minutes. You got a 15 minute is also closing in 7 minutes. I know I want to. Nope, shorts is valid. All right, everybody. Calling it a day. Calling it a day right here. Calling it a day. We're done. We are done today. We are down today, unfortunately. But it's okay. It's just another lesson we learned today. The dub that we took today was getting at 10k. So I'm happy, even though that I did lose, but I'm still fucking happy. So let's get it. Let's get it. What's up? What up, Tarabu? Tarabu! Bro! Bro! Tomatoes. It's boo? Oh, I thought you said bro. I'm blind, bro. Holy, I'm blind. Alright, guys. Nah, bro. I know you want some. I know you want some. Bad day, not bad life. Exactly. Exactimo. So I got my names for you. Take a trade. Nah, bro. That's it. That's it. Be like right here, somewhere right here. Target a 1 to 3. And rest is history. So stop loss underneath there. Boom. And 1 to 3. Some shit like that. Anyways, guys. Thank you for tuning in. It's another live. It's another day. Nah, I'm not doing it. This for the next 10 years. Probably. Loki sells valid now. Sells been valid, bro. Sells have been valid since this right here. Since we tapped into this fucking supply zone right to the top side. Since we tapped into that hourly supply right here. So, we tapped into this zone we rejected off from. You saw the 15-minute right here. Could have taken the shorts right there, targeting that. Or these lows. And rest is history. Anyways. The best thing is we can do is journal. And we come back tomorrow. Time to revenge it? No, I'm good. Alright, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you guys for the love and the support. We hit 10K, so that is a dub for me. And yeah, appreciate you guys for following and staying here. For the people that haven't followed, please drop a follow. It helps out a ton. The people on the YouTube, please subscribe. It also helps out a ton. Links are in the bio for that Discord and that YouTube channel. See you guys. The people on the Discord, we'll see you guys during New York session. And if I see any setup, I will take it and I'll alert it. What's up? What? What do you want? What do you want? The fuck you want? What do you want, bro? Leave me alone. 1 second. Nah. You're trolling. You're trolling. I ain't here. I ain't gonna be here for your trolls. Give me 1 second. Nah. All right. No. We're good. We're down. Just move on. Turning on my PC. What? Why? What are you gonna do? You wanna hop on a call or what? Nah, he's gonna come harass me. He's gonna come hop on here and harass me. Well, look at, see? I knew it. He's gonna come and he's gonna talk shit. Who said we over trading tonight? See? Now he's calling. Yes, I can hear you. What's up? Probably. Yeah, they hear you, I think. Okay, bro. What do you want? Yeah. That's that. I know. I was gonna tell you. Nah, Z, bro, discipline. Why are you trying to be like TJR now? Why are you trying to be like TJR now, huh? Alright, I got you. Alright, guys. See you guys tomorrow for the P1 Disco. See you during New York. And you fear not, see you in another Asia session. Laters! Peace to the Middle East! piece of the Middle East.